Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my update for my Project Polish Roulette. No milkshake. He wants to eat my nail wheel. I had 4 polishes in last time, and I am decluttering one of them. I'm decluttering the Pretty Woman nail polish. It doesn't have a name. It is this one here. Just didn't look right on my nails, so that is going. The ones that are still in project are the Great British Baking Show. No milkshake, stop it. Painted Phlanges. What are you doing? My cat is crazy. Painted Phlanges. You're Killing Me, Smalls. Pacifica Abalone. Oops. Here we go. No, you cannot play with those. Stop it. And the newest one that I'm rolling in is this Sally Hansen Color Therapy in the shade Powder Room. And that is the shade right there, Powder Room. You guys see it? So pretty. Okay, so that is my update for this project. Give us a thumbs up if you like project polishes. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. Click that bell if you like more notifications from me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.